This Olay face cream is not cheap, and the truth is, a lot of people are actually buying this product because of its anti-aging claims. But does the Olay moisturizer do enough to justify the price of this product? Let's talk about it in the comment section. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, my name is Elo, skincare lover, and if you're not part of my skincare community, I would love you to take out a moment and click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on your notification bell. This will automatically get you notified once I drop a new content. And if you end up enjoying today's video, please do not forget to like, do not forget to share this to someone that will find it helpful. So in today's video, it is all about the Olay Ultimate Niacinamide plus Collagen Peptide 24 Hydrating Face Cream. So is it worth it? Let me tell you guys the reason why I got this product. So I've been using this product for over 2 months, and the reason why I got this product is since I'm in my 30s, the truth is I've been incorporating a lot of anti-aging products. This will actually help my skin to fight fine lines, wrinkle, and promote a youthful glowing skin. Since what people do not really talk about is that it's actually easy for your skin to fight fine lines, wrinkle, firm up your skin than when you obviously have fine lines and wrinkle. When the fine lines and wrinkle are very obvious like this, it's actually going to be very hard. So if you're going to take one advice, especially if you're in your early 30s, please start incorporating anti-aging products in your skincare routine, both in your facial skincare routine and in your body care routine. And here last week I reviewed those products. This is actually another anti-aging body lotion I reviewed and I'm currently using. So please do not forget to watch the video. I'll be leaving the link on my description box and some of the products I've also reviewed recently that you will find helpful. Let's talk about the texture and the consistency of this product. My first impression on this is that this face cream is actually very lightweight. So one thing about this is actually very silky, very greasy. Once you apply it, you will see that obvious shine, that obvious glow. But the truth is, it doesn't sit on the skin like other face cream does. It doesn't sit on the skin. It actually sinks into your skin and it gives you that matte feeling. But can we talk about the scent of this product? So one thing I'm actually highly disappointed is why this product is formulated with scent. I feel like as expensive and exotic Olay products this face cream is, I don't think it's actually necessary for it to be heavily scented. This will obviously offset someone that doesn't like fragrance in their skincare products, even though it has this fresh, soft, rich girl kind of scent. But if you're a girly that don't like scent, this might temporarily upset you. But after a while, the whole scent fades away. And yeah, so about the texture of this, you see, yeah, I will show you guys later. You see how everything will sink, and you will not even tell that I rubbed anything. The obvious question is, Elo, does this face cream worth it? Can we talk about the price of this face cream? So I've been seeing a lot of price, but this face cream is actually sold for $100. That's over 110,000 naira in Nigeria. So this is actually very expensive for a product that is just 48 grams. If you want to buy this product, it doesn't come like this. As you can see, the packaging is very exotic. Let's talk about the ingredients used in the formulation. You guys know before I pick a skincare product, I love to go through the ingredients. This will determine if I'm going to buy that product or not. And yes, it has one of my favorite skin ingredients, niacinamide. If you're an original gangster here on this channel, you know how important we talk about niacinamide. Apart from niacinamide, it also contains collagen peptide. It contains sodium hyaluronate. It contains provitamin B5. So let's talk about the benefits of these ingredients and what we expect this face cream to do according to the ingredients. So the niacinamide, what it does is that it fades post-acne marks, even out the skin. So while using this face cream, expect your face to look brighter and very radiant. Another good thing about niacinamide is that it controls the oil production, making this face cream suitable for someone with oily skin. Another benefit of niacinamide is that it helps with irritation, redness, strengthens the skin barrier for that healthy glowing skin. So when it comes to collagen peptide, think about everything anti-aging works on fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin, firm up the skin for that glowing, beautiful skin. Like this is the main ingredients we always focus on each time we are buying a product that has the ability to work on fine lines, wrinkle, and promote that youthful, glowing skin.
For the pro vitamin B5.
What it does is that it soothes the skin, calms the skin, and softens the skin. That is the work of the penetrol, which is also known as provitamin B3. Sodium hyaluronide from a family of hyaluronic acid. So what it does is to deeply hydrate your skin and can temporarily fight fine lines that is caused by dryness. So what it does is that it actually helps your skin to attract water, making it look youthful, making it look plumper and radiant. This is what we expect those face cream to do for you. But the truth is, does it really work or just a marketing strategy by the manufacturers? Let's talk about it. I'll be honest with you, this is not my first time of incorporating a face cream that has anti-aging benefits. I have few here. I've also reviewed this Active Fair face cream. I've talked a lot about this Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one face cream, which is now very expensive, and I know a lot of people are also finding it very hard to purchase, but obviously you can't compare this to this is way more expensive than this. Why buying this product? Don't say, oh, since this product is expensive, this is a magic in a bottle. This is not a magic in a bottle. Even as much as people are claiming that it helps to reduce fine lines, wrinkle, their skin looks younger. If you want your anti-aging product to work well for you, there are other ingredients you need to incorporate in your skincare routine. Take, for example, me, my facial products, apart from my hydrating facial cleanser, CeraVe, I use during the daytime, I incorporate vitamin C wash in my skincare routine. I have a toner that also has this brightening and anti-aging benefits included. I also use vitamin C serum. I incorporate niacinamide serum also in my skincare routine. And lastly, which is also very important, during the daytime, I do not skip my sunscreen. Not only I apply my sunscreen, I also reapply my sunscreen. Reapplication of sunscreen, I believe, is an ever confusing topic. The truth is, um, our sunscreen actually fades off after much exposure to sunlight. That is why it is important to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. So what I'm trying to say is that if you're not doing all this and you're buying only Olay products, thinking that this can magically help you out and even out your skin tone and magically give you that beautiful skin, I will advise you, do not buy it. But does this actually worth it? I do not think is worth it. I think the packaging itself took all the money. I've used other face cream, like I said, that did an amazing job in 2 months. And for this, I was actually expecting more from Olay, and it did not really meet my expectation. The result was actually basic. And if I'm going to rate this product, I'm sorry, Olay, please do not come for me. I'm giving this 4 over 10. The reason why I'm giving it 4 over 10 is because one, the product is expensive and it does little or nothing. Like this product cannot work without incorporating other skincare products. So for it, it's so expensive. Secondly, I do not like the fact that the product is heavily scented. This face cream supposed to be for all skin type, meaning someone with acne, someone that has sensitive skin, someone that have oily skin, someone that have normal combinations should be able to benefit from this. But why is it heavily scented? This might actually irritate someone that has sensitive skin. It might actually irritate someone that is struggling with acne. So yeah, that is another reason why I'm giving it a 4 over 10. Another reason I'm giving it 4 over 10 is because honestly, I cannot see that dramatic change in the appearance of my skin tone when I incorporated this. Probably I don't know if I'm giving this review too early. I don't think the price of this product is worth it. I mean, this product should be sold for like $25, $30, but that $100, no. It is actually way expensive. If you want it to be expensive, at least let it be like a magic in a bottle, something that will obviously work and people will be seeing the results. So guys, sadly we have come to the end of today's video. Have you used this product? Do you know someone that have used this product? Did this product work for you? Do you have any product in mind, any Olay product you would like me to try, or any other product? Drop it down on the comment section, and if it's worth trying, I'm also going to buy it and drop my honest review on this. So we see you next time. Do not forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetable, like this video, share this to someone that will find it helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, lovies.